Welcome everyone, I'm today your host Muse. Today I'm going to talk about a different topic. Today I'm going to show you a new operating system named Feren OS, and it's awesome to use it. Before starting the video, I'd like to sorry about my delay since my college days has been started and with surprisingly tons of assignments, from the very beginning. Okay, enough about that, let's get into the video. So, I have already installed this on my computer. If you like to know how to install this OS on your PC too, then just comment it below. I'll make an easy PC video on that too. So this is Feren OS, an operating system based on Linux kernel version 5.3. It is mainly based on Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. LTS for long-term support. Previously, it was based on Linux Mint 19.1. It uses KDE Plasma as its default desktop environment and comes with a nice looking interface. KDE Plasma is a lightweight desktop environment, so uses very less resources. I will later show you the resource usage, but first, let us see what apps it is shipped default with this OS. We get quite nice welcome screen. It has basic steps of introduction to the OS and features, getting started and install the software. This OS is also shipped with Krita, which is a powerful open source graphics editing app if you are into designing. Ocular is also factory shipped with this OS. It's a nice document viewer app. Remina is the default remote desktop app and Vivaldi is the default web browser. I'm using this for the first time. I would later make a separate video about it. One thing this distro has done unique is the web browser manager, where you can install popular web browser in just one click, just like Firefox. For multimedia apps, we got VLC as default video player and Cheese as the webcam app. For the office productivity, we have LibreOffice as default office suite, just like any other distro. Coming to the App Store, we get Linux Mint App Store on this distro, which is my favorite as it's so simple to install software from there and UI is minimalistic. Feren OS is also shipped with the same update manager of Linux Mint. It's stable and easy to use. Timeshift is also pre-built in case if you run into some big issues, you can always return to the system when it was stable using this piece of software. File manager is Nemo. Seems like Feren OS is heavily inspired by Linux Mint in a good way. Nemo is very polished file manager in my opinion. The last app is the default photo viewer. It's a very good photo viewing app with tons of plugins and things which made me like Windows XP Photo Viewer. Let us see what differs Feren OS from other Linux distros for out-of-the-box experience. We got a quite nice calendar up there where we can see the list of holidays and dates of our regions. As you can see, I live in India, so I configured my calendar to India's region and can see the number of holidays. Like most KDE distros, we also got KDE Connect with this one too. It's really useful tool which I will show you on the upcoming video. Feren OS is greatly inspired by Zorin OS theme switcher and made it much better compared to it. As you can see, there are many different themes comes with Feren OS, ranging from Mac OS style to Windows 10 style and much more. Coming to the first, we got Mac OS 10's theme, which looks really clean and nice, have the OS 10 feels. Even the upper panel is also like Apple operating system. To the next, we have familiar layout. It is made to look Feren OS like Windows 10. So here we have Windows 10 like titles, start menu now. And for some reason, I don't know, but this looks even better than Windows 10 menu, haha. Microsoft, you seriously need to work with your designs. Next, we got a theme which is called Red Mount theme, and surprisingly, it makes Feren OS having Windows XP feels, which is greatly appreciated by me. The last theme which I will showcase is Ubuntu Unity theme. For those people who is tired of using Ubuntu Genome looks, you seriously got to try this new revamped Unity looks. which is not even Unity. Well, Feren OS is definitely a good operating system, which has many things that you may like. But does that mean is it better than Linux Mint yet? Well, surprisingly, no. When it comes to the stability of Linux Mint, from a new person perspective who just dived into the world of Linux, this OS has some minor bugs which is overwhelming to the new people who just install Linux for the first time. For now, I would use this operating system for a month to explore this OS fully and come up with a review. For now, thanks for tuning to our channel. See ya on the next video.